Smoky eye can feel tricky, but not anymore. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step, super simple. If you are a beginner, this look is made for you. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. I'm all about makeup, skincare and all things pretty. If that's your vibe too, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. So first, let's create a flawless base to perfectly match our smoky eye look. I like to start with e.l.f. foundation. It gives that smooth, glowy finish which pairs perfectly with our eye look. I like to apply my foundation with flat brush, then blend it with this puff, and I'm kind of getting obsessed with this lately. They're super blendable. Next, I use a concealer to spot correct, especially my acne marks and my active pimples. I use a small brush for this so I can be precise and keep everything looking smooth and clean. With whatever's left, I tap lightly around my mouth and my eyelids. Let's talk brows. Mine are naturally fuller, so I'm skipping the brow pencil. Instead, I use a brow wax to add some texture and hold. Then I go in with brow gel to lock everything in place. Now I'm setting my face with setting powder to lock our base makeup so it doesn't move and stays in place all day long. Then I contour my nose with Hoola bronzer. Start from the brow and then bring it all the way down to the tip. Blending is key here. Don't leave the harsh line. Take your time to soften it out so it looks like a shadow. Now for the smoky eye. Start by choosing pat it directly on your lash line and almost like you're applying eyeliner with the eyeshadow brush. Now switch to the fluffy brush and take a lighter transition shade. Start by blending everything out slowly, work it into the crease. Use a small circular motion and do not rush this step. This is what makes it professional. So I line my eyes off camera and add the mascara. I don't use false lashes today, but you can totally use it. It can make a huge difference. Add a subtle gold shimmer on the inner corners. This brightens your eyes and makes you look more awake. Then take the same blending brush we used earlier and smudge it under your lower lash line. This balances out the top and gives you that smoky, sluttery vibe without being too much. Using this shimmer shadow to highlight my nose bridge and tip of my nose is just enough to cast the light. For lips, I slightly overline my cupid's bow to enhance the shape, then follow my natural lip line. I'm using a nude pink lipstick today, something natural that won't compete with my eyes. Then I go in with soft powder blush, a light pink shade to bring back some freshness on my face. To finish, I use a bronzer to warm up my face. This adds depth and dimension and ties the whole look together. And there you have it, an easy, soft, smoky eye that anyone can do. It's wearable, beginners friendly and totally glam without feeling overdone. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so we can keep slaying the pretty looks together.